3,
Why is
2.
the flash on?
I don't know. I just fix my hands. I feel like a mom.
Hey guys. Hey y'all.
Hey. Sorry.
I'm Janessa. My sister Jordan is the camera woman. And this is my room. Come on in.
No, it was
the floor.
It was the floor.
Okay, well, here's my bed. I have these drawers, and it's part of my bed. So lots of storage, but it's impossible to move. So whenever I do want to move my room around, it's all messed up. As you can see, there's like a hole right here that I had to cover with my backpack. And yeah, I don't have a comforter anymore. I don't know why I don't have it, but yeah. So I just use all these blankets, and then I have this silk pillowcase. Well, it's satin. I got water because I'm severely dehydrated. As you could tell. I got my s'mores because sometimes I'll wake up in the middle of the night or like in the morning and I just don't want to eat breakfast, but I'll be like, oh, there's sweets for me, and I'll eat them. And I got this little squishy thing. And
Sorry, I was itching my arm. I didn't.
Wait, you didn't get it?
Wait, it was like half of the frame.
I got my salt lamp, another little bear that's a light. I got no face.
Yeah.
A salt lamp. I got a CBD poster that I stole from Family Video.
Oh boy, Brockhampton.
Yeah. Yeah. And then I got some of my art. So that is an acrylic pour I did like 2 years ago. Another acrylic pour I did 2 years ago. And then,
Acid.
and then that I got at school because it looks cool and it has information on the back. Be careful. And then
Oh, what the
how to
heck?
help. What?
Oh no, I just.
And then another acrylic pour. That's like another. It's like is like just like paint drops and like alcohol. I don't know. That looks terrible. Lots of paint everywhere. Another acrylic pour. My boyfriend's little brother did that.
Oh.
Austin did that. Like
Nice.
before we started dating, it says "Spare coochie, ma'am." If you can tell how old that is. Yeah. And I did have 3 vinyls up here. They all fell. It was Tame Impala Currents, Brockhampton, and then Lil Peep. And yeah, they both fell. And Brockhampton has survived somehow. So I got my glasses, little, what is it called? Candle, another candle.
New Mexico.
What?
New Orleans.
What the hell?
So,
And then I kind of forgot about it.
Direction.
Huh?
I said direction instead of directioner. I mean,
What?
Decor.
You're just like
my dyslexia.
We got some little selenite crystal wands. And then we got the little Neko Atsume little guys. And then I got some little earrings, a little cat, a Dallas Aquarium magnet that's like 10 years old probably. A kilo, some little glow-in-the-dark stars that aren't glow-in-the-dark anymore because they haven't seen the sun. Waterburger thing that I found at the staircase of my dorm. I got some rings and then this like long cat ring thing that I don't think any of my rings really fit on it. Okay, never mind. Spurs Bees. This TV that was my boyfriend's that I don't use anymore.
I'll keep it.
Okay, yeah, you can use it. I got my crystals and my bowl of crystals. I got a Loch Ness Monster because
Cheeky Nessie.
wow. And then I got my cousin's graduation picture. Hello, Bryn.
Hey, Janessa.
And then Paradise Kiss. I haven't opened it yet. More crystals. Another cat. It's like a little grumpy cat. Sewing, what is it called? Crochet. A crochet thing. Crochet hook. Necklaces, glasses.
Gummy.
This gummy bear thing that I hold a bunch of clips. including this bread clip, I guess. And then I got my dead art supplies. And then my closet slash anime wall, we got
Gone.
no. And then we got, you know, this little situation, and I had to put Pops in there because. And we got this desk, and you know, you might be thinking, why is the desk facing that way? It's because I like to look. I like to look at everything. Like I have my back against the wall. Because, like, if I'm facing this way, like, what if someone comes up behind me, you know what I mean?
It's like, who?
And plus, I get the sunlight.
Yeah, it was very comforter for the...
Very comforter, yeah. And my sewing machine. And then we got this gigantic wall. Just pretend that there are some cool posters on there.
It's very curvular.
It's like a bright light, and then a colorful light. And then I did this little, like, Starry Night ornament. We got this door and this $5 mirror.
I was in it.
This $5 mirror from Target or whatever. It's pretty good.
See how I'm taller?
We got my diffuser, and then we got these little crates, and I put like all my yarn in there. And then we got this little skateboard.
Oh my gosh.
I did this little, what are they called? The golf floor flowers.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is probably my favorite. I thrifted that mirror in Michigan. And then this is just, is this your mirror? Or is like our grandma's mirror? I don't know.
Oh, yeah, and then it was randomly placed in my room, and then I gave it to you.
Took it. We got My Chemical Romance, Arctic Monkeys, and then a little
Wiggle.
Ooh. This is a collection of like my AP art project that I put to the very last minute. Well, first I did it on here, and then I printed it on there, if that makes sense. This was like an instruction on those drawers over there, and I thought it looked cool, so I put it up here. And then over here, okay, we got some of my shoes, and then makeup and like skincare, just like random. And then
because I didn't organize, I just put it in.
It's fine. It wasn't organized in the first place. And then this dye that Joran stole from her teacher, right? You stole from me.
Well, I didn't like her. She would bully me.
Okay. And I used a lot in here.
My leg.
And then I got these piercing. What are they called?
Ring. What?
Yeah, I got those. And I think I got an allergic reaction, so I haven't used them since. But yeah. Then don't worry, these are not joints, okay? These are not. Wait, it's this way. I don't know. They're not that.
Yeah, that really. Yeah.
They're blending stumps for art. And then this sign that my grandma got.
4 hours daily timer.
Yeah. There was a skateboard hanging on here, but it fell. But I'll just pretend. I'll put it. So, yeah, it looked like that. It looked pretty. It was pretty. It was like a nice little thing. Yeah, the drawers on my bed, they don't go all the way. So it's just like I just scoop all my mess in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
The LED lights, of course. Boom, 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 oh, boom. I like the white.
Boom, boom, pow. With a rock my style. Cover my swagger. I'm on the net now.
You're not gonna
2008. 2008. Boom, boom, boom. Black Eyed Peas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. I hope you enjoyed.
I did.
You did?
Like and subscribe please. Or else. Woof.